Hey there, welcome back to Crocodile Code. Today, we're diving into the world of image manipulation with Python. Specifically, we're going to learn how to remove the background from an image using a powerful library called RemBG. But before we get started, make sure you have RemBG installed. You can do this by running pip install RemBG in your command line. Now, let's jump into the code. Here's the Python script we'll be working with today. This script utilizes the tintr library to create a simple graphical user interface for uploading an image. We start by importing the necessary libraries: tintr for the GUI, file dialog for handling file selection, rem for background removal, numpy for numerical operations, and pl, Python imaging library, for image processing. Next, we define a function called upload_image. This function is triggered when the user clicks the Upload Image button. It opens a file dialog window, allowing the user to select an image file. Once the user selects an image, the script opens it using pl, converts it to a numpy array, and then passes it to the remove function provided by the RemBG library. This remove function magically removes the background from the image, leaving us with just the subject. We then convert the resulting numpy array back to an image using pl and display it to the user. Finally, we create a tintr window with a button labeled Upload Image, which when clicked, triggers the upload_image function. And that's it. With just a few lines of code, we can remove the background from any image using Python. Let's run the script and see it in action. And there you have it. Now you know how to remove the background from an image using Python and the RemBG library. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Crocodile Code for more Python tutorials and coding adventures.